Children, in this chapter we can study how to convert a given fraction into percentage. Here the question is 5 upon 6. So you can rewrite this fraction once again, 5 by 6. Then the method is this one. You have to multiply the given fraction by 100. Okay, given fraction you have to multiply it by 100. Then after solving it you have to put the percentage sign. Now we can solve this one. 5 by 6 multiplied by 100. When you look at these two numbers, 100 and 6, you know that there is a common factor for 100 and 6. So here the last digit is 0, here the last digit is 6. So it is divisible by 2. You can divide 100 by 2. How many times 2 goes in 100? 2 5s are 10. Then remainder is 0. Bring down the next 0, that is less than 2. So put a 0 in the quotient place. Then divide the 6 also by 2. 2 3s are 6. Okay. So we can cancel this 100 and write this 50. Then cancel this 6 and write here 3. Okay. Now you have to rewrite the numbers which is obtained in the numerator. 5 into 50, the whole divided by, what is the number in the denominator? It is 3. So in the next step you can multiply this 5 into 50. So 50 multiplied by 5, what is the answer? 0 into 5 is 0, 5 5s are 25. So you will get 250. So write that as the numerator, 250, that divided by 3. Now you know division. So do division, 250 divided by 3. Okay, 3 8s are 24. Then subtract it. You will get the remainder 1. Then bring down the next digit. So you will get to here 10. Then check how many times 3 goes in 10. 3 3s are 9. Then subtract, you will get the remainder 1. So if you want to write the answer in mixed form, you can write it as 83 and 1 by 3. Then I have told you to put percentage symbol because our aim is to convert the given fraction into percentage. So 83 and 1 by 3 percentage is the answer. Then look at the next question. Next is 65 upon 80. 65 upon 80. So rewrite that fraction. 65 upon 80. You must multiply it by which number? Multiply it by 100. So this is the method you have to remember. To convert a given fraction to percentage, you have to multiply it by 100 and put percentage sign. Now look at this one. Here look at the numerator and denominator. The 180 is having a common factor. Here the last digit of 100 is 0. Here the last digit of 80 is 0. So we know that both the numbers are divisible by 10. Okay, so we can cancel it by 10's table. 10 10s are 100. Okay, then how many times 10 goes in 80? It goes 8 times. So I have written here 8. Then look at once again in the numerator and denominator. Here 10, here 8. There is a common factor. Which is that number? 2. So 2 goes 5 times in 10. Then how many times 2 goes in 8? 2 goes 4 times in 8. Then you have to rewrite the numbers which is obtained in the numerator. So 65 into, what is remaining here? 5. The whole divided by, which is the number in the denominator? 4. Then you have to multiply the 65 into 5. 65 into 5 is 325. Okay, so write that 325 in the numerator and divide it by 4. Then do the division. 325 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. Okay, the remainder is 0. Bring down 5. Okay, then how many times 4 goes in 5? 4 goes 1 time in 5. So you can write here 4, then 5 minus 4 is 1. So if you want to write this answer in mixed form, you can write it as 81 and 1 by 4. Then put percentage sign. Okay, now this given fraction is converted to percentage, 81 and 1 by 4 percentage. Suppose that if you want to write this in the decimal form, you can continue the division. So I'll show that division once again. 325 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. Subtract it. Remainder is 0. Bring down 5. 4 goes 1 time in 5. Then the remainder is 1. Now you can continue the division by putting a decimal point after 5. That in the quotient place also you can put a decimal point. Okay, then write 1 0 after that point. Then bring down that 0. Now the number is 10. Check how many times 4 goes in 10. 4 2s are 8. So it goes 2 times in 10. So after doing subtraction you will get the remainder 2. Okay, 10 minus 8 is 2. Then again you can continue the division by putting a 0 here. Okay, then bring down that 0. Then check how many times 4 goes in 20. 4 goes 5 times in 20. Now what is the remainder obtained? It is 0. Okay, so this 81 and 1 by 4 percentage, you can write it in the decimal form also. It is 81.25 percentage. Okay, any one of the way you can follow for writing the answer.